10,000 before AdSense, before 1,000 subscribers, before I even figured out what I was doing, and it was all by mistake. Let me just tell you how it happened. Picture this: I'm posting consistently, editing with vibes. I have a laptop that literally shuts down when it overheats. NEPA takes lights in between my takes, and I just film like that. I post videos. I have like 500 subscribers or thereabouts, and when I post videos, I get like maybe 100 views or 200 views when the algorithm pitied me. Obviously, there was no brand deals, no monetization, and obviously my motivation too was going down. And then something suddenly happened, something that I didn't think of for the longest time. This particular thing changed everything for me. One random evening, I got a DM, and this person was like, "I don't care. Do you offer coaching?" First thing I was just taken aback. I'm like, offer coaching how? Do you teach people how to go on YouTube? Did you check my subscribers? Do you see how many subscribers I have? I'm not monetized, so hope you know who you are DMing. Like, are you sure about this? And something just popped in my head, and I'm just like, yes, actually, yes, I offer coaching. And like, right now, I've been on YouTube for more than a year at that point, and I realized that I've made so many mistakes. And obviously, if I were to start a channel from scratch, I wouldn't make this mistake. Obviously, I can teach somebody from this perspective. I can tell this person that, oh, this were the mistakes that I made from the start that you shouldn't make. This was literally what affected my channel. This is why my own channel is not growing, and this is what you shouldn't do if you are starting from scratch. Guess what? I told the person that yes, I offer coaching, and guess what? We got on a one-on-one virtual call where I walked this person through all of the things that I did, what this person shouldn't do. I audited this person's channel and told them, oh, these are the kind of contents that actually blew on YouTube. Because if I knew this earlier, I wouldn't have been in this niche, and this is. And guess what, you guys? This person paid me 10,000 naira for this, and I was so excited. I went on my stories and posted this. Oh, I just had this consultation with this person, and this person paid me 10,000. I audited this channel. I broke down all of the strategies that I shared with this person and how I can help somebody else. So I'm like, oh, I have like 5 slots this month. So if you also want me to audit your channel, and guess what? I got loads of DMs, and I literally repeated the same strategy for these people, and I got 5 offers. 10 times 5, I got 50,000 naira without monetization, without 1,000 subscribers, with no brand news. All from what I didn't think about, all just from one DM, from one mistake that somebody thought, oh my god, this girl is going to be suitable for this. How about I ask her? Here's exactly how I got that DM. And I know it's by mistake, but not really. I was already sharing YouTube growth tips on my page. I was always responding to comments, telling people these are things that we shouldn't do on YouTube. It was not really random as in random. I already positioned myself as that person, even when I didn't know it at the point. But I already positioned myself as an expert, as somebody that you can just DM and then you get like answers to your question. People saw me figuring it out publicly, and that was enough. If you are watching this and you're thinking, but I'm not an expert, I wasn't an expert too when I jumped on that 1 hour call with this person. Oh no, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be 2 steps ahead of your audience. You just need to know like something better. There's no such thing as common knowledge. Something as little as you think that everybody should know this thing, you realize that a lot of people don't know it. Here is your assignment tonight. Here is what I'm going to teach you if you are my student. If you want to make money without being monetized or having 1,000 subscribers, here is your assignment tonight. List 3 things you figured out recently. Package one into a value-packed 60 seconds video. End that video with a call to action. If you want help, DM me for a deep dive into this, and you will be surprised. You'll be surprised that you're going to get a DM. I'm not telling you to like charge instantly, because obviously if this is your first video talking about YouTube growth, people are still going to be figuring you out like, oh, what is this person doing? And I know you are scared, because I was scared too. When I got that DM, who am I? I'm not even, I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. And yes, it happened, when I said, oh yes I do I feel like a fraud? Yes, sometimes, cause but really when you figure it out, you are not really scamming this person. You are literally teaching them what from your own experiences that you've gathered for months, for years. We are literally teaching them. You have to charge for it. It didn't just come to you from heaven. You have to charge for it. People are not paying you because you are an expert. People are paying you because they see you as that person. So once I like helped 5 people figure that out, audited, and they got success story. Guess what? All my fears vanished. I was not thinking, oh, should I really be charging for this? I'm like, yes, I should be charging for this. This really helped this person. If I too were starting from scratch, these are the strategies that I will put in place. And yes, it is helping. So why shouldn't I charge for it? It will build your confidence. Now the real question is, if we are just starting, will you make 50K instantly? No. I've been sharing YouTube growth tips for a while before I got that DM. No, not everybody will buy from you. But if you keep showing up, people are going to see you as that expert eventually, and I'm going to start getting DMs. No, you don't have to wait till you are monetized to start getting paid on YouTube. You can start now, you can start small, you can still make money. If you want to skip the guessing phase and you want to start making money on YouTube faster than a lot of people, my YouTube monetization course is going to teach you the step by step on how to do this. And if you're interested, the link is in the description box. This course is going to show you how you are going to get paid before AdSense, and it's also going to teach you how to get monetized faster with AdSense and after AdSense. It's like a 3-in-1 package course that you're going to get before AdSense, with AdSense, and after AdSense. And if you are still scared, comment 50K loading and let us manifest this into reality. Because I know you're on YouTube to make money. Let's not pretend like you're not. Let us speak this into existence together. We need that money, girl. It is 2025. We need to make that money.